brings people from different teams supporting different neighborhood, different city together, and it's very special to see people that usually don't know each other, don't have the chance to be together, play together, become very good friends. Only in this place it could happen.
It's great atmosphere. You have a fixed team in here. There doesn't involve any violence or shouting or yelling. You just came here, play, enjoy, and go home to sleep.
Yeah, we meet nice people. It's fun to talk, fun to play with, and it's all about playing fair, and everyone's just doing it.
Luis from Akko, I'm from Modi'in right now, and we meet at South Tel Aviv. So this is football, bringing people together. It's all about respect to yourself, respect to your enemies, your rivals, and you can't fight. It's only football.